G'day guys, these RAV4s with these seats, we've seen this before. So when you can't get the seat up from there, the emergency release is here. Okay, and you've got to do this side and the other side at the same time. This particular vehicle, the front was not secured. Apparently a few people have tried to fix it, but I'm pretty confident once I get the front in and put it back down that at least the seat will be secure. So we're not aiming to fix this, but it's quite interesting as it is a metal part. But yeah, the person just wants the seat secured. So to release the seat, you come in from here and do this. It only requires a few millimeters to unlock, and then you obviously have to do the other side as well, and then the magic seat will come forward. Okay, hope that helps. Bye.